Welcome back to the channel, you guys. Today we will be installing these retractable ratchet straps from Juggernaut Designs on the F150 Tremor. If you do a lot of truck things with your F150, these are a must-have on your truck. They're gonna save you from having to carry around ratchet straps all the time, putting them in your back seat. These mount right to the truck and they stay there, and they're always there when you need them. They come with these nice little boots that you can put over top of them when you're not using them to keep them out of the elements. Then you get this little baggie right here that comes with a T30 Torx bit as well as some washers. So there is no bolts provided with this kit because most people, unless you're me, have the factory cleats mounted into your box, in which you would just reuse the holes and the bolts to mount the Juggernaut ratcheting straps. Now, because I don't have the factory cleats, I will have to remount those holes. I got a 6mm by 1 tap. I got my own Allen bolts here, and this should be a very easy install regardless, even easier if you already had the factory cleats. But if we come over here and we take a quick look into these holes here, there is no threads, it's not reamed out. These are just holes that go through. We'll tap all these holes out very quickly on this side and that side as well. Now you can buy a 4-pack, so you could hit up those last 2 spots back there. However, my tonneau cover storage is in the way. I would not be able to use those 2 spots. So we are gonna use the driver side and the passenger side. And for the things I do in my day-to-day life, that will be more than enough. So we are gonna grab our drill here, and we'll grab our 4-bolt, and we'll grab one of these as well as our ratchet, and we will head over to the truck box. All right, so what I'm gonna do first is just quickly tap these guys out right here. And now we have our holes tapped, so they should be able to accommodate this bolt without any issues. Let's go ahead and throw in our ratcheting strap, and I will be using the provided washers that came with the pack. Then I'll take my ratchet with a number 5 Allen key. And just like that. So these things have lots of flexibility in their movement. So you can, shoot over to this side if you need to, turn it this way, have a little bit more kind of comfort shooting it over this side. Now you can tell that the team at Juggernaut Designs put a lot of effort into this thing. This is made in the US, and they got quite the robust unit here. You have a 2-inch strap with a 3,300 brake strength and 1,100 pound load limit. So anything that your box can handle, this guy will be able to handle, so no issues there. And the lever itself, the handle for ratcheting and releasing is very robust, so you don't ever have to worry about this bending or warping on you when you're really cranking down a heavy load or you want to get a really tight load in your box. So good on you guys at Juggernaut Designs. This is a very, very great unit. Not only is it easy to install, it's very easy to handle when you're tying down your loads. So let's quickly put on this other guy here, and then we'll find a test subject, strap it all down, and we'll see how these things perform. We got both straps mounted, and one thing that I think you can do with these is you can hook them onto each other right up here like that, and then you can come over here and then you can tighten it on itself. Now I'll likely always tie right down to these points right here, but it is nice to know that you have the extra mounting point on top here if you need them. What we can do is we can find something to put in the box. I don't know what. I would use that, but it's plastic, and I want to kind of reef down on these straps. So I think we'll use a tire, put the tire in the box, then we can really tighten down and see how much sort of pinching force that these straps have. I'd say that's pretty good. We might as well throw in another one. For anyone that's wondering, these are my old 33s that were on before I got the 35s. Now, one thing you have to be mindful of is if you go on a higher angle with these straps, it's going to be harder to release it because we need the handle right here to be further back here in order for the strap to release. And I guess ultimately to remedy that issue, you can just flip these around like this, and then you can go as high as you want, and then it won't be an issue when it comes time to release the strap. So overall, a great product by Juggernaut Designs, and that's what I mean by flipping it around. That's so much easier. I just did it wrong the first time around. I have it hooked onto it just like that, and these tires aren't going anywhere. Then when you are all done with them, you can just put on your boot like so. And then you're protecting the gear mechanism, which is the most important part and the part you don't want getting ruined, as well as the strap itself. And if you guys have any questions about the product, make sure you guys comment below. I will answer. Thank you, Juggernaut Designs, for giving me the opportunity to test this product and make a video for you guys. I'll make sure I put the product link in the description below so you guys can check it out. And as always, thank you guys so much for being here, and I'll see you in the next one.